What we've done with the new Explorer is, first of all, we need to make sure it met the Ford SUV durability requirements. Our durability requirements put a lot of loads into the chassis system. So our engineers spent a lot of time, frankly, starting from the wheels on up with the chassis in order to redesign the chassis systems and the control arms into the subframe to make sure that we're able to handle the loads that are going into an SUV. So that ends up with a lot of areas of the vehicle that have been reinforced and have been designed in order to handle heavy loads like what you see out here today when you're driving through sand and you're hitting big hummocks and you're going through ravines and that. You know, everything from wider wheelbase to the stronger chassis parts that we already talked about, to tuning for an SUV to meet both on-road comfort and off-road capability, and then really the driveline system. And that's one of the unique aspects of the Explorer that we really spent a lot of time on, because we wanted to make sure that we maintained the Explorer heritage of off-road capability while at the same time providing better refinement and easier to use functionality for our customer. And with that, we developed the terrain management system. And really the terrain management system is a driver selectable system where they can identify what kind of environment they're in. Like today we were in sand environment, and as you saw when we're in normal mode, you can drive through sand okay, but you really sometimes wonder whether you're set up right with the vehicle. But once you turn it into sand mode, then the vehicle goes through and it modifies some of our systems on the vehicle, such as the yaw stability control system. It modifies the four-wheel drive system in order to have more preload, so you have more traction immediately. Also modifies the driver demand table with the accelerator pedal and the upshift schedule and the downshift schedule, so you're always at the peak of your torque curve, because when you're in sand, you really got to have a lot of torque and a lot of power to dig through that. And you can achieve that via just a nice easy turn of the knob, and you can get ready to go, and you don't have to stop, you don't have to worry whether you're in neutral or park or anything like that. It's turn of the knob, go. So we think that's really delivered Explorer capability, but refinement and easy to use, understandable technology for the customer.